Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a clear factory reset of your Audi A4 Avant car. That's possible in the multimedia interface.
We're sitting in the car on the driver's side, and we're going to make a factory reset of that car, that MMI system, of course. That will not bring back your accurate way, like on the first day of that life of that car, of course, mechanically. But you can reset the entire system by using your multimedia interface. Okay, let's perform this now. You should perform this if you like to give away or sell your car, because of course in your car, if you connect it with your with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, with your smartphone or with other datas, these datas will be saved on this car. And if the new owner comes to that car, he can see, read, and use them. So we are going to perform now a reset. How we navigate? We have the ignition on, and here's the joystick to navigate through the menus by rotating it, push to enter, and then we can go left syntax or go right to syntax. Right button, left button are also there, and we can go back one step back, or we can go to menu, to the main menu again. So let's go now to the multimedia interface. We go down to the settings. Then we go down to factory settings. And you see here, you can now, each system, you can be reset. That means if you dislike your sound settings, enable this. Radio, media settings, directory, telephone, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, navigation settings, navigation and online memory, speech dialogue system, message settings, shortcut buttons, apps, usage tips, audio connect, restore factory settings. Here we are. So that means we are going, if we go sell or give away, we select all the entires, okay? And then we go down to restore the factory settings again. Now the system needs to be restored. Do we really wish to detect the content and settings of the reselected systems? The system will be restored after the election is process done. Okay, just now and restart. Here, that's now going in progress to switch off and delete all stuff on it. All data will be lost, of course, but then it is brand new again after a couple of seconds, minutes, or something else. We now chill a little bit. If it is black screen like now, it is now the restart or reboot process. Of course, if this is in process, we should not switch off the ignition of the car. And after a couple of seconds, you will see it will reboot automatically. And after this process, we have a brand new multimedia interface again to make an individual setup for ourselves, or not for the others, and so on. Here we are rebooting, and we are back in business. Oh yeah. If there is no reboot, that means if you cannot see anything on the screen for a long period, maybe of course the system is off, and there is a button to switch on and switch off only that panel, of course. Maybe this is then a solution. So that was the reset. Now you can enter individual stuff what you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.